Jalaneti or the water cleansing technique. We have all heard of Jalaneti and think that we need some pot or equipment to do this. We also seem to think that water has to be poured in through one nostril and through another to make it effective. However, today we are going to see a very simple but effective way to do Jalaneti, which neither requires pots nor is it intimidating at all. For this, what we need is to learn to prepare the Jalaneti water. How do you prepare the water? First, boil a glass of water. Then you need to let it cool down till the temperature is just slightly more than the body temperature, that is lukewarm. In that, you put in a pinch of salt or maybe less than a quarter teaspoon of salt. When you try to taste this, it should be the taste of a teardrop. That means the alkalinity of that water is almost similar to that of your body and your blood. Now, using this water, we will be doing Jalaneti using your own palm as the equipment. So now pour some of that water in a cupped palm in your left hand. Bring the left palm up to your left nostril and suck in the water through the left nostril very gently. Leave it. Do not try to bring it out or force it out from any way. Water will find its own way. Some of it will come out through the same nostril, some through the other nostril, some will go inside, and so on. You need not worry. Now, put in water through the other nostril and let it come out naturally wherever it comes out. So keep alternating water through each of the nostrils. Right, left, right, left. To begin with, do it twice. And once you are comfortable, try and finish one small glass of water to complete your Jalaneti sequence. After you've done this entire sequence, gently sniff out all the water by blowing out gently and sniffing it out. Do not try to blow too hard. It's just a gentle sniffing. Then just leave it, clean your face, and Jalaneti is done. After you have done Jalaneti, please do not eat anything or drink anything for at least half an hour. Also, do not lie down for at least half an hour. Make sure Jalaneti is done completely on an empty stomach, and the best time to do it is first thing in the morning. Jalaneti has many benefits. It irrigates the entire nasal passages and all your nasal and sinus cavities. It gets rid of sinus problems, mucus, cleans up your breathing system, and enables you to take in more oxygen. This leads to blood purification and also improvement of the mind. People seem to think that this is to be done only when you have a cold or some problem. This is not true. This should be done regularly and can be done twice or thrice a week for months on end with great benefit.